Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you from a very cold building. But we had some work we needed to do out here. So we're out here, we're warming up the tracks. Got the first HO over the Godzilla with the N scale. Warming those tracks up, transitioning onto the castle layout. Making sure those are working good. So far, so good on this side. Just trying to warm up. We did get the heater in, so the heat is on in here, but it's going to probably take a few days to warm up this building. We are working on Ray's messing with the NS over here. Say hey, Ray.
Hey.
And I did make some extra trusses for this N scale, and I'm getting ready to install those. And I have a few more things that was printed out, and then we'll get these other trains running and be out here for a little bit. So we will be back in a few. Okay, Ray wanted to show Artie some of the trains moving along. Those are doing good. Everything else is warming up. Doing good on the castle layout. I just added in a couple more of the N-scale bridge trusses, and I'm getting ready to put two more N-scale trains on that we got from Southeast Hobbies, Tom over there. And I printed out a couple more things, and Ray's getting ready to run another engine on the double main line, so we'll be back in a few. Okay guys, we are done. The trusses are complete. They're solid. I have not put on the other two pieces that was sent for Ray from Southeast Hobbies. I will do that probably tomorrow. I want to run this engine on here first and just make sure to see how sturdy it is. I told you I'd show you a few of the new pieces we get on there. We got this purple flower. We got this Area 51 top secret facility. And I did get a new flower for over here to give this area some color. So go ahead, Ray, and let's see if that chassis runs. And make sure there's no like wobbling or anything. It's secure. You can speed it up a little bit. Now we do have a little bumps in it, but that's okay. I'm not too concerned about that. I think it gives it a good effect. The reason being is one of those trusses is on the resin ocean. So it does have a little bit, but it looks like it's holding up pretty good. Nothing is lifting up. So yep, I would call that a success. All right, guys, we're calling it a night. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Bye.